I'm sorry, but this hoe really looks like, whoa. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Naturalkuru here, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be making my hair butter. What is my actual name for it? I forgot. Kuru's. Alright, so the butter is called Kuru's Sealant butter, and it's basically going to be the O and the oil and the lock method. So it's gonna replace that, or it's gonna be my oil blend. It can be interchangeable. But so that's what I'm gonna be making today. And as you can see, these are all my lovely ingredients. You know the vibes. And I mean, again, this is my first time trying to do this, so we're gonna see what's up. Hopefully I know what I'm doing. Actually, I know what I'm doing. My studies from Virginia Tech, like, gotta plug my school real quick. You already know the vibes. All right, let's get started. I'm excited. All right, so I'm going to start with getting some shea butter. I'm gonna add my avocado oil. Sweet almond. Dang, can you stop it up? Tapping out the back street. In the kitchen, like a stir fry. Hey. Okay, I think that's good for now. I'm gonna add some water. Okay. Let's add a little bit at a time. Ooh, y'all see that? That's pretty. Oh yeah, absorb. Hey, look at it. They got angry. Dang, this is a workout. Like, my arm getting tired. Oh! Flip it up, flip it up, flip it up. Okay, we got a little Kimberly. A little. But when you add water, this joint don't know how to act. See, even that looked like it was too much for it. My arm's about to look like LeBron James. Like, about to look like The Rock Johnson. That's all this thing. Maybe it'll like thicken it up a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna start adding these alcohols because I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm gonna like test it in this cup of water just to see what it's about. Because I don't want to add it to like this beautiful mixture and then have some go wrong. Alright, so I figured it out. I need to melt it. So I'm thinking of instead of having like water in the alcohol, I'm gonna have oil in the alcohol, and then I'm going to melt that and then add it. So BRB. Okay, so I added more water. And this is like halfly boiling. Because we don't need it like fully boiling, it has to be like half. So like 54 degrees Celsius. Hey, no. Alright, let me check on that. Yes, curls still popping, and that's from, take a look at one of these 4 bottles. Got my special hydration spray. Look at it, just a little shake, a little spritz, and then you can get curls looking like these. Yes. All right, that was just a little advertising real quick. All right, now let me show y'all what these alcohols look like. It's like a wax. Let me see if I can take out a piece. See, it's like a wax. And so then we're just gonna mix that with this. See, still looking good. And then we're gonna add some essential oils. We're gonna add some drummer bean too, and then we out here. Cause I am not adding no more neem oil. I added 1 teaspoon and I already got the smell in. I said, come on, dog. Even a low concentration you smell, like, let's be real. Alright, so after just a little bit of mixing, I was able to come out with this. It looks so bright. There you go. Let me really show y'all what this looks like. Okay. No, you know the vibes. I still need to add my essential oils to make it smell good. And bada bing, bada boom, we out here. And then once I do that, I'm gonna put in the containers. So let's do this thing. No product getting left behind. That should be my tagline. No product is left behind. We got frankincense, and I like frankincense. Then I'm gonna do 2 drops. Ooh, that was 3. Okay, you know, it's alright, it's alright. Alright. Okay, then we got lemon. And then we got tea tree. And then you're gonna do 1 drop sweet orange. Hey. Alright, let's stir this bad boy up. Ooh, yes, this is the mix. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This smells delightful. Okay. I literally just tried a little bit on my hair and it looks like this. Okay, I don't know, all my products just be defining my curls. So I want to see the action a little bit. Yeah, this is like, whoa. So all my products just be defining. It's just a little sneak peek. I'm gonna do an actual video on me trying out this product, but like, whoa. I'm sorry, but this hoe really looks like, whoa. Like, y'all see how shocked I am? Like, me making these products? Huh? Whoa. I'm just shocked. It went from, do you see this? To this. I didn't put nothing else. I literally just lathered it on my hair. You know what? I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. Let me use this small little section, right? Okay, let's just use this amount. Look at that already. Just gotta smooth it in, you know. Hey! In front of your eyes. Oh my gosh. Hey! Look at this. Fingers tangling. Easy. Look at that. Wow. What the heck, bruh? My hair is loving these products. Wow. And it doesn't feel heavy on the hair at all. Like, it feels like nothing is on my hair. Dang, it's raining. But it feels like nothing is on my hair. My hands aren't really greasy. Are y'all seeing the difference? So this one looks like in the container. This is just a sample size. Delicioso. I'm just so happy. Like, out of all the products I've made so far, this was definitely the hardest one to make because, you know, with the alcohols, that was new to me. I didn't know how to use those. And so I literally just had to learn, and here I am. But thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait for you guys to just keep joining me along this journey, because this journey is so exciting to me. I love chemistry, and this is just this is literally a dream come true. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and make sure to check out all the other videos of me making my products, me trying my products. Make sure to stay tuned for all of that. I will be doing a full video on how the product actually works on my hair. Like, of course y'all see this a little bit, it's just a little sneak peek, but I want y'all to see the whole head, you know, the whole head. But that is it for this video. I can't wait to catch you guys in the next one. This is Naturalkuru, and I'm signing out.